Let's do the thing again just like we did it before. I hope you came in here to party too. Get out on the floor and let it do what it do. All you fellas, get out of your seats. Get out on the floor and just move your feet. All you ladies, get out of your chairs.
It's Famous Brown's TV show. Exciting, entertaining, and informative. And now, here's your host, P.T. Brown.
Hey, welcome to the Famous Brown TV show. I'm Preston Brown, your host. Got a great show for you tonight. Let you know that this show is sponsored in part by WCLM Radio, 1450 AM. You can pick it up on the internet, WCLMRadioOnline.com, and you can even pick it up on your cellular phone. Go to TuneIn Radio and put in WCLM Radio 1450 AM. I want to start tonight's show off with Richmond's comedian Mikhail Bamm Bamm White. And we caught a video of him singing. I think he was in DC. So let's take a look at Bamm Bamm, and we'll be right back with more of the Famous Brown TV show. I'm Preston Brown, coming at you.
Back again. They don't know. I'm already going through this. We walk in. We're killing it. This time mix. Nigga was mine to shoot. Don't go too hard, might hurt yourself. Know to get another rap the blues. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. Some of you think I'm the mommy and you're thinking I'm the mommy. Keep up. Why you acting the way that I'm on the double double? Keep up. Players on it. Windows, picking, feet up to the bone. Hey, what y'all trying to do? I say 24 karat magic in the air. It's all so plain. Look out! Second round for the hustlers. Gangsters, bad people in your only ass friends. I gotta teach, I gotta preach, I gotta say how I'm trying to get it in. Take your shit, do your count, stand your money. We too fresh, gotta blame it on Jesus. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. Somebody really gonna ride and ring it up like a keep up. Why you mad? Put your legs up on the dog. You gotta keep up. Hands up, man. Put your pinky rings up to the floor. Hey, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air. It's all so clear. One more time. Get out. Put your pinky rings up to the floor. What y'all trying to do? What y'all trying to do? Magic in the air. It's all so clear. Look out. Y'all get up a Harry J and the bling.
D&W Fashions. Now inside the Jeff Davis Flea Market, 5700 Jeff Davis Highway. Featuring the latest in Stetson and Kango hats. Just in time for springtime, lightweight leisure suits. Name brand and super sharp dress suits. Stacey Adams shoes, shirts, ties, sweaters, and men's accessories. All available at rock bottom prices. 11 a.m., 7 p.m. Wednesday through Sunday. Alterations available. D&W Fashions, Jeff Davis Flea Market. Call them 337-8869. Dress with success with Mr. Wayne Mason at D&W Fashions.
Can I help you?
I'm hungry. Feed me now.
Well, sir, if you are hungry as you say, I strongly suggest eating at Cuba Cuba, Richmond, Virginia's premier Cuban cafe, open 7 days a week for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
I'm hungry.
That's what you keep telling me. Cuba Cuba has 2 locations here in the capital city, in the heart of the fan at 1601 Park Avenue, and in the West End, Cuba Cuba Dos in the Tuckahoe Shopping Center at 403 North Ridge Road.
I'm hungry.
Yes, I know you are hungry, and if you are hungry, I strongly suggest eating at Cuba Cuba.
But I'm hungry.
Well then, put an end to that hunger by going to Cuba Cuba.
Oh man, I'm hungry.
Hi, my name is Rebecca Pierce, and
I am Elroy Boyd III.
And I am the author of That Colorblind Kind of Love, a full-length play production we'll be doing here in Richmond, Virginia.
At WCVE Television Studios.
June 23rd through the 25th. And you can purchase your tickets today at www.rlpproductions.com.
Just a bit of a reminder, this is going to be a worldwide live streaming event, okay?
Yes.
June 23rd and 24th at 7 p.m. and on Sunday, June 25th at 3 p.m.
At WCVE here in Richmond, Virginia. That's WCVE on 23 Sesame Street, PBS Studios, and we hope to see you there. This is the story of love, time travel, and hate.
Hey everybody, you still watching the Famous Brown TV show? Look, I got a video to let you know that old people can still dance. I caught a video with an old couple that can really get down. And not only this, they are a white couple. So white folks got some rhythm too. So let's take a look at this video and see this older couple get down on the Famous Brown TV show. I'm Preston Brown. Be right back with more of the Famous Brown TV show.
Good morning, good evening, and good afternoon, and welcome to Conversation with the Diva. I will be on the air at WCLM 1450 Wednesdays and Thursdays from 11 to 12 noon. Please tune in at the radio station, P.T. Brown's radio station. I'm excited what God is doing in this atmosphere. I encourage you to stay encouraged. Don't get discouraged. Stay encouraged. I love the Lord and I won't take it back. I love the Lord and you can't make me take it back. Bye now.
The Heavy Hitters of Soul present Motown East Music Festival featuring Sir Charles Jones.
Anybody lonely?
Big Pokey Bear. Roy C.
All night long, watch me, baby.
Wilson Meadow.
Still my love. Still my love. Still.
Nelly Tiger Travis.
Bang it up.
J. Red the Nephew.
Your man won't touch ya, girl.
Just Once Band, Maurice Wynn, and more. July 8th, 2017 at the Wilson County Fairgrounds. That's right, it's the Heavy Hitters of Soul going down. July 8th, 2017 at the Wilson County Fairgrounds. Get your limited advance tickets for just $35. Go to www.downeastmusicfestival.com. Don't miss the Heavy Hitters of Soul, July 8th, 2017 at the Wilson County Fairgrounds. Get your tickets today.
CT Promotions presents and Central Virginia welcomes the pre-4th of July show and dance. Saturday, July 1st, Military Retirees Club, 2220 Sled Street, featuring the legendary Nice, the Cats Band, DJ Do It All, and special guest, the legendary Ray Goodman and Brown. Tickets are only $30 and available at the Military Retirees Club. Join your host, Chocolate Chip and Wild Walter. Doors open at 8 p.m. for one show only. Call 852-2489 or 321-3188.
Okay, we're right back. We're filming from WCLM Studios, 3203 Hall Street. Stop by anytime, say hi. I'd like to let you know that I will be at Fair Oaks Baptist Church Sunday, July the 9th at 4 o'clock. And it's celebrating the first anniversary of the New Gospel Proclaimers. So I'll be there hosting that show. Come on by if you get a chance. And it's only a $10 donation. If you want a ticket, give Leo Jackson a call at 852-2661. And that's Sunday, July the 9th. Famous Brown will be at Fair Oaks Baptist Church. Come on by, y'all. Let's have a good time. This next video I want to share with you is a video with Joe Tex. You know, Joe Tex and James Brown had a beef going on. A lot of folks didn't know it. But James Brown's supposed to have stole one of his Joe Tex women. And Joe Tex said he was finished with her anyway. And they got in a terrible beef. And James Brown was saying that Joe Tex was stealing some of his dance moves, and Joe Tex saying that James Brown was stealing some of his dance moves. But in all, I'm going to give you a chance to see Joe Tex and him singing and doing a few of his dance steps. And you be the judge of who was copying who was imitating who, or who was the better dancer. This is the Famous Brown TV show. Let's take a look at Joe Tex. Be right back on Famous Brown TV.
This is #1 record for us in the States sometime back, a million seller. Skinny legs. Say, man, don't worry at that woman like she don't belong to you. Just cause her got them little skinny legs, you know there's no way to do. You didn't act like that when she was at home behind them closed doors. All right. Shit, don't be ashamed of that woman. You don't want nobody over here in Madrid, Spain to know that woman, yo. That's all right. Just walk on, baby. Hey, hey, hey. And don't you worry about a doggone thing at all. Hey, hey. And somebody will take you, baby. Listen, which one of you fellas gonna take a lady with a skinny leg? Will somebody go take a lady with a skinny leg, please? Anybody gonna take a lady with a skinny leg? Will somebody please take a lady with a skinny leg there? Oh man, you're a fool. I don't want one of those skinny legs. Yeah. I thought about giving this woman a Clyde back on the drums, but I said to myself, no, I know the kind of women Clyde like. But old Leroy gonna take her. Get old Leroy on the guitar right here one time. Let's get her. Say, Leroy, you got it. Why you don't act like that man ain't yo? This a man that's walking with you in them baggy clothes. Man just forgot to get his suit out of cleaning, that's all. Holla! You act like you ashamed of that woman. Shoot at that man over there. So you go over there and kiss him one time and hold his hand. Say you ain't gonna do what? That's all right. Walk on, mister. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, don't you worry about a doggone thing at all. Hey. Anywhere we take you. Rock and roll.
If you are looking to buy or sell music here in the capital city, think of only one place. Plan 9 Records, open 7 days a week in Carytown at 3017 West Cary Street. If you're looking to buy or sell audio equipment, or you want to get rid of some old vinyl records, they do that too. So for all your musical needs, check out Plan 9 Records in Carytown at 3017 West Cary Street.
If you need to rent a car today, consider Easy Car Rental, 3101 West Broad. Let car rental superstar CL Bell get you in a small, medium, or large car. Call 804-358-3406. Easy Car Rental. Easy Car Rental. $29.95 a day. No credit card needed, and they'll pick you up virtually anywhere in the Richmond area. Free. Easy Car Rental, 3101 West Broad. 804-358-3406. Talk to CL Bell.
In jail, need bail to get out? Call Brown Bail Bonding Company at 804-732-3561. That's 804-732-3561. Anytime, anywhere, any court. That's Brown Bail Bonding Company, 804-732-3561. In jail, need bail to get out? Call Brown.
I'm Max Bell with Easy Car Rental, 3101 West Broad Street, where you can rent a car for as little as $29.95 a day. And you're watching the famous Brown Get Down.
WCLM AM, burning up the streets of Richmond, and broadcasting around the world at WCLMradioonline.com. If we're not on your radio really isn't on. It is the most soulful radio station on the East Coast. Stone Cold Soul Jams, 9 to noon, Monday through Friday. Thanks for watching the Famous Brown TV show, and thank you in advance for listening to 1450 WCLM AM and Stone Cold Soul Jams.
For a jukebox and no DJ.
smaller the club, the bigger the party. Yeah. There's something about this room, yeah. The smaller the club, the bigger the party. Yeah. So dance floor, you can barely move. Oh, waitress, please clear my table. I got beer cans everywhere. The music's loud and everybody's jamming. Let me tell you, it's a hell of an atmosphere. You gotta stand outside just to get a peek. Get a peek. You got to wait in line just to get a drink. Get a drink. Everybody loves a smaller club. Just might snap around and fall in love. A smaller club, bigger the party. Come on, something about this room. The smaller the club, the bigger the party. Yeah, the dance floor, you can barely move. Come on, fly by night, give me something. The club, the bigger the party. There's something about this room. What? The smaller the club, the bigger the party. Yeah. The dance floor, you can barely move. Oh, waitress, please clear my table. Say what? I got beer cans everywhere. The music's loud and everybody's jamming. Something about this room. Party club, the bigger the party. Yeah. And dance floor, you can barely move. You can barely move, you can barely move. The party club, the bigger the party. Something about this room. There's something about this room. Yeah. Smaller club, the smaller club, the bigger the party. Yeah. Something about this room. Dance floor, you can barely move. You can barely move. I'm getting warmed up here now. Yeah. Amos Brown.
Central Virginia, Southern Maryland, and the Carolinas. Get ready for the 4th Annual Southern Soul Blues Show. Saturday, August 5th, VFW Park, Albert Lee Mills. Post 10387, 206 Winston Churchill Drive, Hopewell, Virginia. Big G is going to be popping that thing.
All the girls in the house, they all come out to pop that thing.
Get ready for Big G. Also starring the dynamic Joe Tex Jr. And Jeff Floyd. Plus the Fly-By-Night Band, DJ Storm, and your MC C-Rock. Bring your lawn chairs for the 4th Annual Southern Soul Blues Show. Saturday, August 5th at Hopewell, Virginia. Tickets are $25 in advance, $30 at the gate. Get to the 1 p.m. show begins at 3 p.m. You can be 25 years old to get in. For ticket information, phone 804-277-1420 or 804-712-9212 or 804-767-9252.
It's anniversary time for Bishop Sam Fisher and the Gospel Missions. June the 25th, 4 p.m. at the New Generation International Ministries, 3459 Chapel Drive. On this fantastic program, Jay Caldwell and the Gospel Ambassadors, Lil Blair and the Volunteers, Lee Walker in spirit, Linwood White and the Mighty Jubilations, Evangelist Shirley Dixon and former lead singer for the Soul Stirrer, Minister Justine Mars. You don't want to miss this anniversary. That's June the 25th at the New Generation International Ministries, 3459 Chapel Drive. For more information, call area code 804-399-5933. Donations are only $15. And that's the anniversary of Bishop Sam Fisher and the Gospel Missions. That's June the 25th at 4 o'clock at the New Generation International Ministries, 3459 Chapel Drive.
1450 WCLM AM.
The most soulful radio station on the East Coast.
We connect the music.
For the last 30 minutes, you've been entertained by the Famous Brown TV show. Join us next weekend at these same times for the Famous Brown TV show with your host, P.T. Brown.